Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a new subject called data science. Has anyone heard of it before? Data science is a field where we use various pieces of information, called data, to solve problems and discover new things. For example, data science can be used to find out your favorite things, predict the weather, or determine sports results. First, what is data? Data is information in the form of numbers, words, pictures, and more. For instance, if we want to find out everyone's favorite food, each person's answer is a piece of data. Next, let's think about how to collect data. To collect data, we can ask questions, make observations, and use various methods. For example, measuring everyone's height and weight is one way to collect data. With the data we collect, we can do many things. For example, we can use the favorite food data to find out the most popular food in the class, or use the family size data to calculate the average family size. Did everyone understand? This is the beginning of data science. That's all for today, but next time we'll do more activities and experiments using data. Look forward to our next class.